You may have encountered something like this on Amazon when you receive an email about remove spine text from your book cover. Usually this comes from a prompt that is sent via email. You see this say, "Hi, we checked your files and found issues you need to fix before your book can be published on KDP. Remove spine text from your cover file to have spine text books needs." So this link here is what is here. So we're going to see how we can remove this spine tests and we upload this book cover back on Amazon KDP. So we're going to use a tool for this. So to do this, just head over to Canva, click Canva, click on create, then click custom size, change this pixel first to inches. Let me come for it, then the height is usually 9.250. Then after you've done that, you click on upload, click upload file, click here and upload it. When I done, click edit image, click on done, and click on create. So it's still on crop. So this is the spine, this is the middle spine text we are going to remove now from this book. So to do that, you zoom in a little bit. You come here. So you've done that. So add page, click add page, then duplicate, bring it downwards, paste it. So when you are done that for your second page, you extend it again to the right and crop. Ensure it's in order. Then you duplicate, bring it downwards. There's an allowance at the middle, so join it. So extend it a bit the same for this. You can see this one has been removed for this. So we now come here, zoom sure things like check it. Then two pages here. We now have to now resize it. You come here and click resize. Click on custom size. Come here just for the first page alone. Click down. Come here. Click inches. Change it to 12.480. Come here. Do same for the height. 9.250. Click copy and size. And click open. So as you can see, we have removed the spine. This is how it looks now. So we now come here, click share. Click download. Come here, click PDF standard and click download. So we head over to Amazon KDP. Click here on the dashboard here. You click three signs here and click on edit paperback content. Scroll down. You can see this book cover. The spine here is there. So you click on upload book cover. Click here. Click open. So as you can see, the book cover here has been removed. The spine has been removed. So just acknowledge that we upload a new manuscript and just click launch previewer. So as you can see, we have removed the spine test error that was initially here. So with that done, just click approve. Scroll down here, click save and continue. So that's done. So that's it. It's now on review. So now wait for the review to be complete. So that's how you can remove spine test cover and upload same to Amazon KDP. So thank you for watching.